iEFF ithi iANC kumele izikhokhe yona izindleko zokuya eZimbabwe njengoba yayobamba umhlangano neZANU PF. uJulius Malema uthi iqembu elibusayo bekumele liqashe indiza ekhethekile kunokuthi lisebenzise indiza yombuso wezokuvikela. Uthi iEFF izobonana nonobhala wombutho wezokuvikela ukuze abanike isithikithana sezindleko zohambo ukuze leso sithikithana sihanjiswe eLuthuli House.
But to use the state resources by the leadership of the ANC, I think it was irresponsible. And we shouldn't be too dramatic about it. We will ask the Secretary of Defense to invoice the ANC so the ANC pays and they don't repeat that mistake.
UMholi weEFF uthi bekumele futhi kumqoka ukuthi iqembu elibusayo libambe izingxoxo neZANU PF. Yize kunembiko ethi kuphulwe nemigomo ye-lockdown ngalezi ingxoxo, uMalema uthi bekufanele zibanjwe lezi ingxoxo.
Going to Zimbabwe even under lockdown regulations, it is necessary, it is urgent, and therefore it will be reactionary for anyone to say the leaders should not have gone to Zimbabwe. Remember, as members of parliament, as leaders, we've got permits to be everywhere. And therefore we should not dramatize this thing. Was the need to go to Zimbabwe? Yes, there was a need to go to Zimbabwe. Was the mode of transport used, acceptable? No. The ANC should have hired a private jet if there are no commercial flights and pay it itself.
Unobhala jikelele weANC uAce Magashule utshele SABC ukuthi iqembu elibusayo alizange lixhaphaze inqalazizinda yombuso ngenkathi kuyiwa eZimbabwe. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba zeSABC eGoli.